Hello everyone, so I want to speak to you about my experience with Dental Centre, and as you all know, if you follow me on my Instagram, I don't just make things up, I only speak about things that I truly believe in. And if getting your teeth done is something you want to do, then genuinely I couldn't recommend this place enough. So I got my teeth done first of all 3-4 years ago, and I was really unsure about going abroad and getting my teeth done. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to go for it. It was something that I was a bit paranoid about, so I wanted to get it done. And I came here, and when you see this dentist, it's absolutely beautiful. I don't like injections myself. I know it's crazy because of my tattoos, but I don't like needles. But they make you feel so relaxed. They put some numbing stuff on my gum, so I didn't really feel even the injection. The whole process was incredible. And I even had implants, and that's something that I never thought I would be able to do because it's like a proper procedure, but they make you feel so relaxed. And there's a reason for it. This is genuinely the best place to go to. Like I say, I needed one crown changed, and I've come back here to get it because you get an amazing week in the sunshine as well. So I've brought the kids out here, we got a week in the sun and getting my teeth done as well. And again, it was so relaxing. They make them to exactly how you want them. It's perfect. I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much. I'm going to come back and see you even if I don't need anything done.